Okay, we're going to be live in 5. Okay, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now we are live on Facebook. Okay, so we will ready in few seconds. Okay, all right, so now we're live. Okay, right, you can start.
So, very good afternoon to Dr. Sheikh and Dr. Anita. So, we are from Group 7. We'll be presenting our group project outcome now. Okay, so I will be the first one to present first.
Okay, all right. Maybe you can show us your first template first. Okay, then you
Okay.
compare what you have done and what changes that you have made. Okay, right, so this is the one that you have made the changes already, right?
Yeah, so, right. So the template chosen for our project is Magna Premium. This one is the original template. So I will just open it now. So this is the original template.
Okay, cannot see your template. Can you share your screen?
Oh, I will share my screen. Okay. All right, so this is our original template. This one, Magna Premium, before edit. So it consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different sections, which contain different of the information like this. Okay, so now I'm going to present about what we have done. So
okay, but before that, so you have a 6 members, but right now you only have 4.
Yeah.
Okay, so
yeah,
you have
we
4.
only
So
have
the,
four,
so
so
the 2 of your members, so they work alone, right?
yeah, they work alone.
Okay, I see.
Okay, so I just want to make sure, can you guys see my screen now?
Yeah,
yet.
but Zoom.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one is our login page. So I will just skip this one because my teammate will present about this page later. So we just go for the registration page first. Okay, so this is our registration page. So as new user, we just
We can see your we can see your screen.
Can see your screen. Can you share your screen?
You share Zoom screen actually.
which one should I click?
How many screen you use?
Do you have 2 screen or what?
Okay. You see?
Yeah, we can see now.
All right, so I will just start again. Okay, so this one is our login page for our website. So on this one, I will leave it to my teammate to present. So I will present the registration page first. Okay, so for any new user, they just need to create a new account. So before they can use our website. So I will just demonstrate right here. So the password, I will just put 1, 2, 3. So yeah, the things I will just simply put it. And then the user can upload their avatar, like just choose any picture they want. Just select the user type, admin or either user. So I will just choose admin lah. So just click register here. So the system says you are registered successfully. So back to here, they can register. They can log in. Okay. So the password is 123. Okay. Wait, I got some problem.
Just now you type at Gmail.
Okay, it shows successfully login. They will, for admin, they will redirect to the admin page like this. This one is the admin pages. So it shows their avatar right here, their name, their user type, email, location, and the created time. And for admin, they have the authority to edit the website. So just simply click here. So there are 7 different sections. So now I'm going to present about us section here. I just click it. So I can access to this page to edit my company information. So for example, now I'm going to insert the new information. Okay, so just insert the info ID, company name, for example, Trinity Studio. So the description I just blah, blah, for example, because it's too much information. So just simply click on add information. So the new information is added right here. So the company name, blah, 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 and so on. So right now you can see that the current template is in use is information ID1. So now we can just simply go back to our main website right here. So this is our main website. You can see the company name here, the company characteristic is using the template one.
Hello, tak ada music ke kat sini? Nyam sunyi saja. Kau cakap apa? Jangan boleh nyanyi kot. Mari kita nyanyi negaraku sebelum mula.
Okay, so if the user want to choose this information, they just click on this button, choose this information, and it shows selected currently in use. So they can just simply update the information here. Then save information, and it shows information successfully updated. So they can go back and see the changes right here. Right, so they can also delete the information if they're not using the information. For example, delete the delete button. Okay, and the select information is deleted. If the template is currently in use, they cannot delete. It will show the not this one, or this one. Oh no, maybe something wrong about the code. But if the template is currently in use, they cannot just delete.
Pasalah tak dengar lalu. Boleh tengok aku punya bilik. Tak payahlah ikut.
Apa tu?
YouTube ah.
Okay,
Wow.
so that's all about
Wow.
the UD for About Us section. And then now I just log out.
Wow.
So now I will just present
Wow. I think
forget password. So if a user forget their password, they can just reset from the login pages here. Just click on the forget password and enter the email address. So for example, if the email address that is not exist in the database, for example, it shows the email address is not exist. So please try again. So example, I'm using the one that I registered just now. Submit. Then it shows the link for the user to reset their password. So this link is only available for 5 minutes. So after that, the link is invalid. So just click on this. So they can just simply change their password. For example, I change to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So reset. So it says the congratulations, password has been updated successfully. So now I'm logged in with my new password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just log in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so they can log in with their new password. So that's all about my part. So now I will pass my presentation to Muhammad Azaiman.
So you did check, you did for login, right?
Yeah.
And registration.
Yeah.
Okay. So Azaiman.
Azaiman, yeah.
Okay, Azaiman, which part?
Hello? Hello?
Hello, okay.
Okay. Doctor, I cannot share my... Kejap. I try to share my face using my phone.
Tak boleh share screen? Sekejap.
Tunjuk muka. Tak boleh tunjuk muka, sekejap. So
Okay.
data saya tak ada kamera, saya guna telefon, sekejap.
Okay,
Nampak tak?
okay.
Muka saya nampak tak guna lagi satu punya? Nampak?
Tak nampak muka.
Nampak kan?
Ni nampak. Ni?
Nampak.
Okay, you tengah lambai-lambai tu ke? Okay. Azaiman kan?
Zaiman. Okay. Okay, so for my part, I will show the user login, and after the user login, I will show the session. Okay, so first, since we have registered, so we look at the table user. Any of the login type, so I will pick one login type that is admin. So I will log in using this one, the admin one.
Ni login as a apa ni?
Admin.
Admin okay.
Login as admin.
Masuk admin dulu.
Okay, so it will show this. Okay, so we use session. So and we also echo the session. From here, we echo. We echo here. Okay, so I will show now. If I log out and I try to enter without login, we use this on top. We try to enter admin.php without login. We try to enter. So you will prompt this since the session is now exist. So it will prompt that. Okay, so we log in again, and I will show my code. Go to portal. Okay. Okay, so for my part of code, I have manage pricing content and manage contact content. So I will. So these two will display here. One in this, we will change all this, and one will change this. Okay, I will show the first one, which is managing pricing content.
Mhm.
Okay, so the managing pricing content, we have add plan and detail. We can update this is currently that we use. We have one, we have two, we have three. So it is a set of three, set for this. Kita nak tukar. Oh, okay. Tak kena. Okay, so we'll change this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I will show the first one for the add plan to add new, to insert new description and name and stuff. We insert any ID one. Yeah. Just insert anything. It is just to display the insert function. Okay. The other the table can be left null.
Mm.
Okay. The new insert. So we add the 22. Yes. Yeah, we have it here.
So you
Okay.
have a description, so many description, description 1 until 6.
Yes, because
The initial, can you show initial?
uh,
Because the presentation is like go down.
we will change this one set. That's why it is a lot.
Mm.
That's why I put plan name 1 for the first row, and then second, third. Okay, so I will now show the update. So we choose any of it to update. Okay, choose ID. So so we show like this and we change it.
That's it.
Change it to 255. Okay, so we save. Successfully update. So the before price is 29. So it's change. It update it.
Okay,
Okay,
show
so
the view part. So
user video.
so once you update, once you insert, so make sure you would synchronize with user view so we can see what happened when the admin edit.
This is the before because I selected this price ID. I choose this price ID. So okay. So this is the previous. After refresh it, it will change to the new one I update.
And it will go down.
This.
255.
Okay, so if I decide to choose the other template, just need to I choose this template number 2. Choose this. So we will promo success and we go back to this page. Refresh it. Go to pricing. Okay, we change.
Pricing.
Yeah. Okay. So now I will demonstrate the delete part. Okay.
Is there any better way for you to view the pricing ID? Because it looks like very long and very messy, isn't it?
Yes. We have this search function.
Okay. But still a bit messy to show everything in this format. Is there any easier way to show this?
Make it in table, something like that.
Make it in table, or you select what you want to select. So they say that instead of showing everything 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever, you just show ID number 1, ID number 2. When you click, then it goes to detail. Is it possible? What do you think about that?
I think it is possible, but will take time to implement it. I think it will take time for me. Okay.
Because you just imagine if you have 100 ID, right?
So I have this one search ID. So let's say I want to look for this ID 22. I will just put 22 here and go. It will only show 22. Okay. Okay, so now I will show the delete function here. We use this. Just delete. Okay, successfully delete. Okay, we show back this, and 22 is no longer here. So see, so no longer here. Okay. Okay, that's for the pricing pricing include. Okay, now we show the other one, the contact us. Okay,
Okay.
I will show this one. It use the same, but it look but it's simpler version. Okay, so we can choose the template same as before. Choose this, and we can add the new. We can add new detail. So display. Okay, so we can also delete and update. Okay, the update here because delete. So I also put the search here to look for it easier way. Okay. Okay, and okay. Let's say if I choose this one, so I update first. Azaiman. I save it and I choose it. Azaiman choose his data. So on the contact, it will change to
Contact.
okay. It will change here based on what we put, the email, the phone number, the fax, the phone number, the location.
So only edit one contact number.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Session dah. Okay, that's all for my part of presentation. I pass to the next.
So Azaiman, pricing and contact.
Pricing, contact, session,
Contact. Okay.
session. Okay. Session search. Okay.
So session and search. Okay.
Okay, I will log out and pass to the next. So when we log out, session will be destroyed, and user cannot access it like before. Please log in before. Okay, that's all for my part. Thank you. I will start sharing the screen.
Okay.
Hello, can you hear my voice?
Okay, great, Shah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, great.
Wait. Screen share. Now can you see my screen?
Oh no.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Now?
Yes.
Or okay. Now I will show about the user page. First of all, the user need to log in into the system. And it will show this user page. This user page usually to differentiate the action between users or admin. For the user page, users can edit their profile by clicking this button. We can update the details in this page. For example, I want to change username Ali123. And then we also can update the profile picture by choosing the file from your PC.
So this image directly goes to your database or going to the folder?
Save
It will
where
go.
you save.
It will save into the folder.
Okay.
So, and then it click submit. Okay. Wait,
Okay.
Okay, as we can see here, it already updated Ali123 and this profile picture.
Okay.
And we also can see it has been updated in the database. Yeah. Ali123. All right. Okay. Next, I will show you on service spot for admin. How to manage the service spot. Admin.
Just now you did for which part? Just now you present
User page.
user page. Okay.
Now I will show how admin can manage the services.
Okay.
Right. So, I need to log in the admin page using admin account. Click login. It will redirect to the admin home page. And from here we can manage the website for service content, and we also can edit the profile. But now I will show how to manage the services
Service.
content.
Mm-mm.
Yes. As we can see here, I already put the service inside this web. For example, okay, this is now I will change this service content. By clicking this, choose this information, and it says that template selected successfully. Yes, we can see here is the content is changing from the previous content. Now I will show how to update this service content. For example, we choose change this service title with programming. Design. Design. Okay. After we update, need to click save to save this, right? And it will successfully update. Okay. As we can see, it already being updated here. Now, I want to choose this information to display in this content. Choose, right? Okay. Yes. the content is changing, right? Web programming and web design. Okay. Now I will show you how to
Can we change the
delete
icon?
this.
The icon? The icon? Can we change the icon?
No,
Not yet. Not. Okay.
not yet.
Just the
Just
tag.
the content. Yes.
Mm-mm.
You can see if I want to delete this
Service.
current service template, we cannot delete it. We cannot. Yeah, we cannot. It cannot change because we currently choose this template. Let's show. I want to delete this service ID number 6. Yes. Okay, it is successfully deleted from the system and the database. Okay. Services. Yeah, it already deleted.
For view side, user side, what the changes? So to delete.
This is. It will not display in the. Okay, where is it? After we delete, it will not display in this web anymore. Okay. Now I wish now I will insert the new new service content. Let's say 7 service title.
What if you forgot the ID number?
What
If you don't remember the ID number, what happened?
if we want to delete or
If you want to even insert, if you forget the number, then how?
Current number. Current ID number. So you forget current ID number. So how to fix this one? So maybe you not remember until up now. So how many
Or maybe another user is maintaining or another person is admin. How do you know how many ID already?
we can check from the DB.
DB.
What if it's not the
Yes.
admin for the DB? Then you cannot check.
Oh, I don't have solution for that yet.
Okay. What you should do, you should do an auto increment. Remember auto increment that we learned inside database?
Yeah, you already learned in database, right? Auto increment. So you can create the auto ID.
All right. Okay, for insert service, I will show you just the example.
And your current view also very messy, isn't it? Going up and down, up and down. And then why never use CSS? You don't seem to use CSS at all. So what's the purpose of template?
Template.
Because you're supposed to use the template, right? So now you're not using template at all. So any reason why? Yeah, same for the others also, I think almost similar.
I will continue with this. Save. And it will successfully insert. As you can see here, it service ID 7 successfully insert in the system. Right. Okay. I think see here first. Okay. Now I will show you how to edit the user profile. Right. The user profile for admin, it is also can be updated. Great. So, submit. Logout. Need to log in first. Okay. Oh, so we can see the name has been changed.
Too small, Grace. Cannot see.
Huh?
Too small. Too small. Can you zoom? I
Small.
want to see. Okay. Make it bigger lah, so I can see.
Something. Right. I think that's all from my part, and I will pass to another question. Thank you, Doctor.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so next is my part. My name is Tong Sen Ling. One moment.
Dancing.
So can you see my screen?
Yes.
Sorry. So my part is about the team. So here we can see the team's members. Here we can see a maximum of 4. So to view all, just click on the view. And here we have total of 6. And then here is the name and the position and the description of their own. If we hover over the picture, it will give us the Facebook, Twitter, printers, and YouTube link. If we click on it, it will go to there, but it's a fake one, so it won't work. So for now, I'm going to show on the CRUD. So now I am in the admin. I already logged in as an admin. So I manage. So here is the manage page. To add member, we just click on the button here. And then we can type maybe position something. One second. Just an example. And then we can choose the image from the pictures, from the computer, sorry. So just in computer, so when we click save, it will say it's successfully inserted. So here, it's Tom and the photo is there. So to update, update one of a member. Oh yes, the member ID is not editable. And then for just now, the insert, the ID is already generated. So go back to update member. So we can update the position, maybe programmer. This one can resize if we want to. So the just a sample. So when I click save, it will show us the new one. It's a programmer, and the image is updated, and also the self-description. So to delete, simply just click on this delete button, and then it will say it's successfully deleted. And that's all, I think. Go back. Oh yes, if we refresh, So you will see that this one is already updated, and also the position. I think that's all from me. Yes. Thank you.
Okay. So no, on it all.
Okay, anything
Right.
else you guys want to add in? Any last words before we give a review on everything? Okay, I guess no, I guess. Right, so far, okay, the template wise, I think you have used it well, but I think the admin side may not be very nice. Maybe you could actually use the template, the one that you have, and use those template to be inside your admin page as well, so that it makes more friendly. Okay, at this moment, it's not friendly enough, and you will see just now like few comments that I have given you guys, like the arrangement of the tables are not in order. Okay, I think like for Tong, maybe she has done a bit of arrangement, everything looks more neater, right? So I think for Greg, for others, it's a bit messy, but the functionality is still working. Functionality is we're still working wise. So I think still acceptable. But of course, the function of this particular class is also covers not only the PHP side, it covers about JavaScript, HTML, about CSS. So basically, it covers all of this. So I guess there might be some room of improvement, right, that you guys can actually improve. Like if you are the seller or if you're the buyer of a system for this, do you think you want to buy your own system? You're
Saya
smiling
suka.
yourself.
Buy. Kita
Would you
buat,
buy?
kita kena
Okay, I will
beli.
sell you 10,000 for this. You want to buy or not?
No.
No, you don't want to buy. Why?
Yes. But I have to think first.
I will lower the price.
Lower the price. Okay, so this is something that you need to think about. You have to think, is it value for money or not? Because when you want to sell something or you want to do a product that is sellable, so it has to be in working order, okay, or functioning. Yeah, it's functioning, but of course, a lot of people are just not looking into function. It's also attractive and nice and that kind of things. So that's something that you guys need to think further, right? So maybe one of these days, that who knows, maybe you're going to do your own freelancing or something. In fact, right now, freelancing is a good job prospect because you can get actually money, thousands of dollars. You can easily get money, but of course, in order to get that, then you need to have a proper knowledge and making sure that whatever that you do is proper. Okay, that is something that you guys need to think very carefully. Okay, right. So right, so I think I have answered your own question, so nobody wants to buy your own system. Okay, so then
Aduh.
all right, okay, so I think past the lecture, maybe she wants to add in something else.
Okay. So for your part, it's also it up to you all. So if you want to improve for because the admin part is quite messy. Yeah, as I say, it's quite messy. So it's quite difficult to up and down to scroll. So you have, and then the way you organize the data actually is quite sometimes not too organized lah. Okay. So only that part.
Yeah.
So you can for that part actually you just make it like Tong Zingling, just make it in table. So good looking. Okay, only that one you can improve. But the rest actually for crude actually so far function well.
Yeah, it's functioning well.
Uh,
But it's
Okay.
just not about function. Sometimes you just also need to do about look. Just say that you want to buy a car. The car has no door, has no roof, but the engine is working well. Everything is working. Would you buy the car? Definitely not, right? It's the same thing also for the website. It's the same thing. It's the same concept. Okay, right? So you have to make everything perfect. Okay, all right. So I think thank you so
This
much.
is all.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
thank you
thank
for
you,
your-
sir.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you.
Okay.
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 So last group number 8, I think.
Okay. Right.
Okay, group number 8.
Okay, saya stop dulu.
Okay, stop.